So the name of the question is Manhattan distance. So there are n towns in a coordinate plane and town I is located at x and y. So we have to find the distance of all the town from each other and we'll have to find the sum of it. So we'll be given an test case and the number of towns and each will be have its coordinates. So let's see. Wait a minute. So let's take, so we'll have two coordinates x and y. So the distance will be xi minus xj and yi minus yj. So we don't care which is bigger, yi or yj, because we have modulus. So this gives us a chance to solve the question easily. So what we'll do is we'll take x and y coordinate of every array, every town. So we'll input it in an array. So the main point is we do not care about the coordinates of town specifically. So what it means is that we can separate x and y, because for a town the x coordinate will be different and y coordinate will be different. So let me show you. So if x is greater for a town, does not mean y will be greater. So we can interchange it. Y can be negative, y can be smaller than the y of next town. So we'll separate it. So we'll do this: x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5, and we'll do the same for this. So the method for this will be same as this, so we don't have to do this. So take this. So suppose it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we take the distance from this town to this town, so it will be 5 minus 1 or 1 minus 5, because we have modulus. So what we'll do is we will sort the array, and we'll find in how many cases 1 will be subtracted and how many cases 1 will be added. So for number 3 will have 3 minus 2 distance, 3 minus 1 distance, and it will have negative for 4 minus 3 and 5 minus 3. So we'll just add it to the sum. For every element it will be subtracted this number of times, and it will be added this number of times and subtracted this number of times. So we'll look at the code. So we'll input array x and y, and we'll input it and sort it, and then we'll just do it. So we'll plus it for the number of elements ahead of it, and we'll subtract it for number of elements behind it. So it is simple.